Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Jaguar XF versus BMW 3 Series. We'll dive deep into what makes each car unique, from their driving feel to their interior comforts. Understanding these differences is key to choosing the right luxury sedan for you. We'll cover performance, technology, and even long-term value. Let's get started on this full comparison. When it comes to performance, the Jaguar XF typically prioritizes a more luxurious and composed ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease. The BMW 3 Series, however, is renowned for its dynamic handling and engaging driving feel, often appealing to those who enjoy a spirited drive. Both offer powerful engines, but their delivery styles differ. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: after all this talk about cars, you might be thinking about your next road trip snacks. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Inside, the Jaguar XF often presents a more traditional, elegant British luxury aesthetic, with high-quality finishes. The BMW 3 Series leans into modern technology, offering intuitive infotainment systems and a driver-focused cockpit. Both provide comfortable seating, but you'll find variations in rear passenger legroom and trunk volume, impacting daily practicality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.